I don't know if you can see the line, goes right there. So you want to keep on that angle when you file. Hey everyone, welcome. This is a Husky 372. Right now I just put my 33-inch bar on it. Pulled off a 28. I've got some big wood I'm going to be into here. Some old growth Douglas fir windfall. Came down in a big storm. So I'm going to show you how I sharpen this saw. Beautiful saw. Power to weight ratio, unbelievable. Anyway, so I'm going to take this to a job. Not going to be doing this job for another week or so. So I'll post a video once I get that all edited. Just a beautiful property, beautiful view. So anyways, let's get going on sharpening this thing. Okay, so depending what type of shape the tooth is in, these are in pretty new condition, but depending on what shape it's in, like if you hit a rock or dirt or something, you know, really determines how many strokes you need to do. And you don't have to do the same amount of strokes on each tooth. Okay, so I usually just start on the double teeth. Okay, so what I like to do is go forward, up, and back, and then through and back, through and back. Don't go back and forth. That bungs up the file, and your file doesn't last as long, okay? So just forward, back, forward. Okay, so that one's good. I'm going to go forward like this. Keeping in line with that line, as close as you can. It doesn't matter if you're a little out, okay? And then I'm skipping this middle tooth because I like to flip the saw around and do the other side. Some guys will go like this, and then they'll turn and go like this. But I find I do a better job by flipping the saw. That's just the way I do it, okay? So. Now, I'm just in the habit of rotating the file as I file. You'll see as I go forward here. And I just kind of think it prolongs the life of the file more. But I mean, you know when your file's worn out. No material comes off. So you know it's worn out. All right, so. And you don't have to go that fast. You can just, you know, go at your own speed. Take your time. Get it done properly. Now this chain feels pretty sharp already. There have been a few spots where I've noticed it's not quite as sharp, but yeah, sometimes it'll take 6 strokes if you got a chip in the tooth. Like I say though, this is a fairly new chain. Okay, so I'm back around. This one last one right here. And yeah, this is a new file, so I've taken off a fair bit of material there, so we're nice and sharp on that side. So I like to flip the saw. This is a big bar on this saw. Clip or clips I'm going to show are just little vertical clips, but they'll still be pretty good. All right. What did I do? There we go. Okay, so I'm going to start at my doubles again. Keep it in line with the line there. Some chains probably don't have that line. This one does. I like that line. That's my guide. I don't have a file with a guide built in. I just go by eye and feel. Okay, so when you get a nice smooth stroke through, then you know that you're sharp. Okay. couple extra strokes. Okay, now I'm back. So this saw is sharp. Okay, and you can do, you can do your rakers too. Your raker gauge. And but these rakers are low anyways. But you don't need to do that very often. Once in a while, check them. The most important thing is just to sharpen your saw. I rule of thumb is I just sharpen the saw between every tank of gas. Just give it a quick scrub, and usually it's not that dull. And like I say, unless you're in dirty wood, but you want to try and stay out of that. And there's different chains for different applications, but that's another video. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you don't have a vise, you can sharpen the chainsaw on the tailgate of your truck or on a stump on the job. It's just easier in the vise. You can just do it on the ground too. It's just a little more awkward. I'll include another little vertical clip of sharpening this saw on a job where I was taking down a few small alders, and I hit the dirt a few times and it dulled the saw up quick. So I just wanted to give it a quick sharpening, and I just used a stump. So yeah, I mean, it really is just that easy. Like I said, you get between 10, usually I get about 20 sharpenings out of a chain. And I mean, you take it right down to that line and then that's it. I mean, and that's how I do it. I mean, I've been cutting firewood for 35 years, since I was 14, 15 years old. So, but if you're looking for a professional sharpening video, you got to check out Buck and Billy Ray Smith's channel. He is a guru when it comes to anything to do with sharpening chainsaws or running chainsaws, falling timber. He's got a lot of great content, and he's a stand-up guy, you know, a really good guy. So check him out. You know, I just showed you the way I do it, and this works for me. As you see in the video, I'm cutting through some pretty big old growth fir, and when it's sharp, it's going through it like a hot knife through butter. So, and it's fun. So leave a comment. Let me know if you've got any other ideas for videos, and I'll try and do them. I really enjoy doing the chainsaw work. Thanks a lot for watching.